Hello, welcome to Freebie Cash demo video. Freebie Cash is a brand new automated 3 clicks done for you system that allows you to make money by giving away freebies and turn it to cash without selling any products. So with Freebie Cash, you give away free products and make huge profit in return without selling. So let me quickly log into my Freebie Cash dashboard and show you how this works. Awesome. So this is my Freebie Cash dashboard, and right here you can see total number of campaigns created, total number of leads I've gotten so far, campaign unpublished, device lead, browser's lead, and the OS lead. Alright, using Freebie Cash is very simple, and the first thing you have to do is to create your Freebie Cash campaign. So right here you see your existing campaign, and to create a new campaign you click here. So depending on your level, we have different templates that you can select from, and these are beautiful and professional templates. So we have a lot of them right here. So you can preview the template here, and you can select it by clicking on Builder. So you input your campaign name right here, demo campaign. So you click on Save and Builder, and right here you can customize everything on this page. You can change the text color, you can add your own text, you can underline it, you can change to italics. Alright, at the same time you can add your own video, just drag and drop like this. Right, you can add timer countdown to your page, you can add images, slider, button link, icon, etc. Alright, so it's very simple. So once you are done customizing your lead page, the next thing you want to customize is your thank you page, which is your bonus download page, your freebie download page. So you click here, and right here you input your freebie link. And the good thing about Freebie Cash is that it comes with inbuilt freebies, done for you freebies that you can give out to your visitors. Alright, so we have a lot of freebies right here, and all you have to do is to right click here to copy the freebie download link. So you copy the link, and inside here you input the link right here. So you select new window for the target, okay, and you click on save. And also you can also input your affiliate link here. Alright, so you can actually recommend product to your visitors and get paid without having to create any products. So to add your affiliate link, you click here, then you drag and drop the button link here like this. So you change the text, you can also change the color, background color. Awesome. So right here you input your affiliate links, and the Freebie Cash comes with inbuilt offers that you can get a link and start getting affiliate commissions in minutes. So right inside your Freebie Cash dashboard you see Freebie Cash offers, and you can select from the list right here, get a link like this. So you click here if you want to go for this income engine. So you click here and you copy the link right here and paste inside this box. So you paste your affiliate link inside this box. So click on new window and you click on save. So once someone comes to your page, the first thing they will see is your lead page, and once they input their details to get your freebies, they'll be taken to your thank you page, and right here they can download the freebie you are giving them. That is the free software, and because you are giving them a free product upfront, they will easily trust you and follow your recommendation. So most people will also click on this link, and once they grab the product via your link, you get paid 50%. So you'll be paid your affiliate commission, all right, and you make money without having to sell any product or create any product from scratch, all right? So that is awesome. You can click here to preview your page like this. So this is for full screen. You can undo here, redo, delete any element, back, save, and publish, all right? And you can see how it will look like on tablet. So Freebie Cash page are mobile responsive. So this is for mobile, you can see. So once you are done customizing your lead page and thank you page, the next thing you have to do is to click on save and publish. And right here, you can change the name for your campaign. So you can upload your favicon. You can also select the domain settings, and depending on your plan, you can actually use subdomain or custom domain, all right? So you input your URL here for your subdomain, and for the custom domain, you input it here, depending on your plan. So right here, you can customize your SEO settings, so you can rank high on Google and get viral traffic to your freebie page. So you input your SEO title here, SEO description here, SEO keyword, your social title, social image, and social description. Okay, and right here, you can actually specify the action after submitting the form. So if you want to redirect your visitors to your thank you page, you specify it right here. Or if you want to redirect them to your affiliate page, so you specify it right here. So you can actually go to Freebie Cash and get the link for your affiliate products. So and paste the link right here. So you could paste the link right here if you want to redirect them to your affiliate page directly, right? Also, we have the integration. Depending on your account plan, you could integrate your autoresponder, Mailchimp, Aweber, and get response like this. So once you do that, all your leads will be saved directly into your autoresponder, all right? And you can even mail your visitors and upsell them with another product, all right? So you make more money with that. And at the same time too, we have the custom code. So you could insert your Google Analytics code, your custom CSS, Facebook pixel, chat, and many more to your Freebie Cash page, okay? And this also depends on the plan that you purchase, okay? So once you are done, you select the publish and click on save. So right now, our campaign has been published successfully, and you can go back to the campaign right here to view your campaign. So this is it right here. If you want to check the page, just click on this link and you'll be taken to your Freebie Cash page. This is exactly what your visitors will see, all right? Also, right here, you can clone your Freebie Cash campaign, okay? And right here, you see all the leads that your campaign has generated so far. So for this particular campaign now, I have 4 leads, and when you click on it, you see all the leads that you have for that campaign, and you can export the leads and import into your autoresponder, right? We also have the banner design that allows you to create stunning design for your campaign. So you can filter it, you can resize, crop, transform, draw, test, and do whatever you want to do with the image and use inside your campaign, all right? And right here, you can use the inbuilt traffic system to start generating viral traffic to your campaign and make money without selling any product and without having to use any paid advert. So Freebie Cash comes with everything you need to start getting results without doing any technical stuff or setting up any product. All right, it is the fastest and the easiest way for anyone to truly make money online. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.